Whereas in 16B Muntada, case to case conversion केला, अजून त्याने आपला approach करतो. आम्ही भी यो जो cases आम्ही departmental level पे आम्ही तालुका officer करता है. आम्ही maybe press advertisement government notice public notice. So till 26 January, they should approach us under 16B. We will consider their case on merits. If they don't approach us, then we will proceed against them under the rules. One is that if the imprisonment of 1 year, 10 lakh rupees fine. But we will eventually have to name and shame these people and also proceed against them under all the relevant sections of the law.
मजगती मायनिंग पिटातले उदक शिपणावळी खाला शेतकारांक दिवपाची सरकारान तयारी केल्या. 5 मायनिंग कंपन्यांचे कामगार आणि मशिनरी लावन खंय उदक पंप करतले. शेतकी मंत्री विजयान सकाळी जाळवणदारांची बसका घेतली.
The government has decided that under the Irrigation Act, these 5 mining companies will be directed and their infrastructure will be requisitioned by the WRD department. Manpower and machinery will be requisitioned to pump this water for irrigation purpose. So the chief engineer, water resources will be writing to these 5 companies tomorrow. Representatives of most of these companies are present today, and we have decided this in the interest of the farmers.
We require about 2,200 horsepower of pump sets.
कितले उदक?
Maybe about some 3 cubics or so.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आणि सिनियर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट ओमकार फळारी.